Today we are going to go over your scavenger hunt that you did earlier. I did not help you, but today is the day I do. Number one, define the following words using the define resource in this doc. Add the definitions as comments. There's a couple of different ways we can do this. I'm going to start by simply highlighting, right-clicking, and going to define abeyance. There's other things I can do. I can highlight it and I can go up to tools and down to dictionary. There's a whole bunch of different ways I can do it. Okay. So what I'm going to do my way, right click and say define. And you are supposed to add this as a comment. Okay. So I'm going to grab the whole definition like this and control C. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this word again, but I'm going to say insert comment and then control V. All right, I've just done the first one as a comment. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with chromatic. Define chromatic. I'm going to choose it, copy it, and then I'm going to go insert as a comment, Command B. All right, and then I'm going to do excrescence as well. Define, grab it, Control C, insert as a comment. So think about some of the ways that this tool could help you, the comments tool. Think about some of the ways that can help you, okay? When you're working with somebody on something, there's a comment now about those, okay? Number two, make these words a hyperlink that'll take the user to wgmstechapps.com. Okay, these words. So I'm going to grab these words. I'm going to go up to my hyperlink tool, insert link, or I can right click and say insert link. You would be two finger click. And this is what Mr. Sanchez said to do. So I'm going to grab this and copy it, Control C, and then I'll highlight these words. And I want to make it a link and Control V, apply. And now those will take them to wgmstechapps.com. Number three, use insert image, search the web to find a picture online of California's official state bird and insert your picture in the space below. First of all, I'm going to click down here in my space below to make sure that's where it goes. Now I'm going to do the insert image, search the web. I'm going to type in California state bird. And when I find what I want, I'm just going to click on it and click insert. It will stick it right here. I'm going to resize so it doesn't take up so much space. There we go. Number four, make the sentence below italic, green, and font happy monkey. I'm going to get the whole thing. I want to make it italic, so I'm going to come up here to the italic. I need to make it green, so I'm going to come over here and choose a green. And I want to make the font happy monkey, so I'm going to scroll down until I find happy monkey. Number five, insert a table with 3 columns and 5 rows below. I'm going to put my cursor down here and I'm going to go up to insert, table, and I don't remember, what was it? 3 columns and 5 rows. Okay. Insert, table, 3 columns, 5 rows. There we go. Number 6, use the word count resource to find out how many words is in this should say are. I'm going to change that now. Are in this document. Type your answer here. Word count. Okay. So I'm going to go to tools and word count. And it looks like the words in this document, 259. So I'm going to type 259. Switch the page setup from portrait to landscape and make the entire page yellow. Okay, I'm going to go to File, Page Setup. I want to switch it from portrait to landscape and click OK. And then I'm going to make the entire page yellow. I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and Page Color, yellow. In the space below, write out the math problem 3 divided by 3 with the answer using only numbers and math symbols. Okay, so I need a 3, but I need a divided sign. So I'm going to go look and see. I need math symbols and look at insert special characters. Okay, there we go. So I need a divided sign or division There we go. I see one right there. So I can do that one. 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. And then I need an equals. That should be on your keyboard. 1. Add a header to this page with your name and the date. Bonus points for adding a picture of your school mascot. Okay, a header. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to find Headers and Footers and click Header. And my name and the date, November the 6th. Okay. Bonus points for adding a picture of your school mascot. So I'm just gonna press Enter, and I'm gonna go to Insert, Image, search the web, and I'll type in Wildcat. And I can just grab whichever I want. These don't look like our mascot, but it's still a wildcat. Not very ferocious, but it's a wildcat. And it's huge, so I'm going to grab the corners and really resize it down as much as possible so that it's not taking up so much space. That'll work. Right? Now I have a header, and I can click anywhere to get out of here. Okay. Now, you'll notice the header is up here at the top, and it's at the top of the next page as well. That's what a header does. All right. Which feature in Google Docs is your favorite? Use the voice typing resource to record your answer below. I'm going to go to Tools, Voice Typing. And when I'm ready, I'm going to click to speak, and I'm going to say what my favorite Google Docs feature is. My favorite Google Docs feature is the word count feature. And there you go. You're done. Now all you have to do is submit this in Canvas.